Hey everybody, today I'm going to walk you through setting up Terraform on a Windows 11 machine. First, we'll walk through updating PowerShell to the latest, then we'll install the Azure CLI, and then finally we'll get Terraform up and running. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is hop over to Microsoft's site and download the latest version of PowerShell. And we're going to run the install. It's pretty painless. Just hit next, 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 and install. All right, and we're done there. Then we're going to hop over to the CLI page on Microsoft's site, and we're going to install the latest version from here. Again, super easy. And we're done there. Next, we'll hop over to Terraform's site, and we'll download the latest 64-bit version of Terraform. All you have to do, unzip that. Now we have the executable. I like to store mine in the root of C. So I'm going to make a new folder called Terraform. And I'm just going to pop the executable over there. Last part that's a little bit tricky is setting up our environment variables. Just open up your start menu, search for environment variables. System properties should come up. Open up environment variables. And we're going to add something to the path variable. All we need to do here is add a new item. And it's just going to be the new folder that we created for the Terraform executable. Hit OK, 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 and we're done. Next thing we want to do, just to make sure everything is working correctly, is we're going to reboot, and we'll come right back. And we're back. Now that we have all of our packages installed, just pop open PowerShell. You should see the new version available. I like to pin mine to the taskbar, and we're going to open it up. All right, so now we're going to check the version of everything. Start off with PowerShell. Just run ps version table.ps version. This will always output what version of PowerShell you're on. Next up, we'll check the Azure CLI, so az-version. This gives us all the information about the Azure CLI version that we have installed. Next up, we'll check our Terraform version. And there we go, Terraform version 1.37 for Windows x64. You're all set to start developing Terraform.